Okay, so my next guest today is Stephen Eggart from Surftech Systems. Great to see you again, Stephen.
Good to see you. How are you?
Yeah, I'm very well, thank you. And congratulations once again on winning your Global Technology Award for the smaller contract manufacturer. But you keep building bit by bit, step by step, this family business that you've got over there.
Right.
Are you on Long Island?
Yes.
Yes, that's right. So tell us some of the recent changes you've made there.
Well, one of the biggest changes is we took additional square footage. Mm-hmm. So we've increased, it all went to manufacturing. It's a 50% increase in floor space,
right,
which we are in the process of relaying out the entire floor so that every department gains the little bit extra space that they need.
So are you going to put it into island sort of working configurations, or are you putting it into instead of a line configuration?
We are putting our SMT line more in a line.
In a line.
It was mostly in a line. Now it'll be a lot more complete.
Okay. And what sort of equipment have you been adding in recently?
So we're actually in the process of installing an SPI system this week.
Okay.
That's going on right now. We also have a nitrogen generation system on order that'll be up and running next month.
Right. Okay. So we're bringing SPI, which is pretty critical to be able to measure the paste deposits and volumes, etc. And nitrogen generator, now that's an interesting one because there's not an awful lot of people who use nitrogen generators. They tend to buy it in bulk. What was your reasoning behind that?
Just trying to cut monthly costs. I mean, by the time you pay for the rental and get the nitrogen deliveries and you pay all the fees that go along with it, it gets to be very expensive. So over time, a nitrogen generation system does pay for itself.
Right. Okay.
And yes, you have an upfront cost, but then you don't have that monthly expense.
Okay. Excellent. Okay. Well, that's really useful. So what about, have you been increasing the headcount at all? I mean, do you have any issues with trying to hire staff members up there?
Hiring staff is always a tough situation.
Right.
We've been trying for quite some time. We'll continue to try some new techniques and new things, try to get new people in, train them from the ground up if necessary. But that is definitely the biggest challenge out there right now.
Right. Well, you're in a fairly expensive area. I mean, you're competing against people that are working in New York.
That's why automation is such an important thing. That's why we want to, fully conveyorize our line from end to end and try and do as much hands off as we can.
Yes, that makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
Makes a lot of sense. Okay, great. So what's next?
That's a good question. It's a little hard to figure that out entirely because the world and the economy is just changing constantly, and so we're just going to have to keep an eye on it and kind of move forward.
Is the workflow still? You still got a strong order book going forward?
Yes, 2026 looks extremely good, better than 2025.
Okay.
So we're looking very good for the next year.
Right, excellent, great. Well, it sounds like you're doing all the right things. So congratulations once again, and thank you for coming in and telling us about it today.
No problem. Thanks for having me.
Okay.
Kaizen is the leading global supplier of award-winning cleaning chemistries for electronics assembly operations. Whether you are cleaning stencils or final assemblies, our global team of cleaning experts is there to help you succeed. Want to know more? Stop by our booth or visit kaizen.com.